Hey everyone! Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. Today we're going to do a quick yet powerful review of basic English that you can learn in just 3 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a refresher, this video is designed to give you the essentials you need to communicate confidently. So, let's get started. To kick things off, let's go over common greetings. You can say hello, hi, or if you want to be more informal, try hey. When someone greets you, respond with, I'm fine, thank you. And you? Or simply, I'm good, thanks. Mastering these basic greetings will help you feel more comfortable when starting a conversation. Next, let's practice introductions. Say, my name is, or I'm, to introduce yourself. For example, my name is Carlos, or I'm Maria. Then, ask, what's your name? To show interest in the other person. A good response might be, it's nice to meet you, or I'm happy to meet you, too. These short phrases make introductions smooth and friendly. Now, moving on to asking questions. When you want to get to know someone better, ask, where are you from? Or, what do you do? These are great icebreakers that can lead to more conversation. Practice following up with, that sounds interesting, or tell me more about it. This will keep the conversation going naturally. If you need to ask for help or information, you can say, could you help me, please? Or, excuse me, where is the nearest cafe? Make sure to always say, thank you. After receiving help, it's a small gesture that goes a long way in making your interactions pleasant and polite. When it comes to expressing preferences, try saying, I like or I don't like. For example, I like watching movies or I don't like spicy food. These simple sentences will help you share more about yourself and practice your speaking skills. And lastly, don't forget about goodbyes. End your conversations with phrases like, goodbye, see you later, or take care. For more formal settings, say, it was nice meeting you, or I hope we can talk again soon. Saying goodbye properly shows that you appreciate the conversation and leaves a positive impression. In just 3 minutes, you've learned basic greetings, introductions, questions, and more. These are building blocks for any English conversation, so keep practicing until you feel confident using them. Remember, the key is to use these phrases as often as possible. Practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more quick and easy English lessons. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, and have a wonderful day.